Good afternoon, sir. We are batch 4 and our topic is B2B advertising and media strategy. So for that, we have created three mini role plays, and in here we'll show you that. And on the screen, you can see the scenes in the flow for the first two role plays. That is and I'll start the narration so that it will be easier for you to understand it. And right after my narration, you will see the scene one. So the scene one is as follows. The liquor company executive, that is Hadi, approaches the Mace executives, that are Bhuvan, Kunal, and Mayur. Kunal is the financial executive, and Bhuvan and Mayur are the marketing executives. So, and they're meeting to devise a strategy for the company, are these companies.
Evening. I'm Hadi, head of marketing and sales at Get Tipsy. So, as you all know, we currently sell hot liquor and wanted to get into beers business as well. So, my colleagues had already contacted you, and I wanted to keep this meeting before we move any further with the work. So, before you say anything, we have made it clear that we really want something very creative from your end. As you all have heard, we are going to go public soon. So, money is going to come in. We want a complete new outlook in every aspect of our company. And you guys know that marketing plays a huge role in it. So tell me, Maze, like what do you guys have to offer us?
Good morning, Adi. I am Kunal. I'm the financial head. Before offer you a deal, I would like to ask you a few questions and give you a few business insights. First of all, is you moving into the beer sector? So, are you planning to move it all solo, or are you planning to move ahead by acquiring a startup or some small companies?
Oh, well, right now what we have planned to do is like start from the scratch, build up our infrastructure and set a base for ourselves. So that's what our plan is currently.
Okay, our business insight says AB InBev and Bark Daddy is ruling in the beer sector, but not to worry, you have came to the right place. We will be providing the perfect market strategy that will give you a percentage on those market share. Okay, here's the deal, Hadi. That's we in Maze to give you a campaign. We'll first take a commission from each of your sales. So I would like to ask a question. What do you expect? How much will be your revenue for the first 6 months of the beer section?
Approximately, we're expecting around 20 to 25 crore for per quarter.
Okay, fair enough. Since you are a startup on beer, so you must not be having a huge profit margin. So for you only, we will take 5% of your profit as our commission pay per unit you sell. Since this is you are selling it as new, your market is new. So from now on, every bottle of beer you sell, we can safely assume it's because of our maize marketing. So we will be taking 5% of your profit per unit you sell. That's not all. The second conditions which we are going to put forward is that you transfer the business intelligence right of marketing to Maze. This will do two benefits. Business marketing intelligence will transfer some of their liability to the Maze, for which your taxation will be saved. And in that process, our taxation to the government and our tax liability will also decrease. And some of the taxation you are going to pay will also come to us. These are the two deal proposals for in front of you before we move ahead with marketing.
Uh, but you see, like as you said, the IP rights could be transferred. That won't be a bigger issue. But when you come to talking numbers, I don't think we are at the stage of talking numbers as of yet. Because since you guys are a startup, we are a startup. We don't know how it is hard in the beginning. So I expect we could talk about numbers when we reach that stage of marketing and that stage of business. Surely we'll talk about it. But as of now, I really can't assure you a fixed number. But yes, we'll surely look into it, Mr. Kunal.
Fair enough. Fair enough. You want to talk numbers after the results? So be it. We will show you the results financially. And now let's talk about go ahead with our marketing. As you can see, Bhuvan is our marketing head, and you two will now be discussing the strategy.
Greetings, Hadi. This is Bhuvan, and I am the digital marketing lead for the company Mace. So, as Kunal has told that I would be providing you a few marketing strategies where we think that you might be mesmerized, so that you can take up the offer. Okay. So the first thing that I would like to focus on is I want your company to focus on social media content like socially responsible events like fundraisers or supporting the underprivileged kids in education and health, while keeping the brand name in their minds, so you don't have to remind people what the actual product is. And also what you can do is you can engage in social media with your followers. If, for example, a post includes a picture of cocktail and a reader asks what mixture is used, so you'll have to be very quick and active to answer that question, so that they will know how active your brand is going to be. And the third thing is you can always include videos related to behind the scenes. So for example, if you told that you would be starting a beer product, so if you can make a small video featuring beer, and you can show the beer yards, how it is, how the product has been made. And these are few strategies that I would like to propose, so that your product can have a good exposure and good marketing skills. Yes.
Yeah, these are exciting ideas from your side. I really like the idea of getting the social values into a market like this, and something that none of the other companies have experimented so far. Yeah, I really like that idea. Anything else from your side?
No, I'm the head of digital marketing lead, so I'm handing the rest over to my traditional marketing head.
All right.
Hi, Hadi.
So, hello.
Okay, now I just want to ask you one question. Who are your target audience? Who are you looking forward to sell your beer? Yeah?
Somewhat 18 to 25 in the youngsters of our generation.
Okay, youngsters. Yeah, now what are the youngsters really attracted to? And what are the issues? Now, right now, they have the issues of financial, and also they'll be looking for offers and vouchers, right? So this has not been implemented anywhere in the alcohol segment yet, but we can apply, we can offer that offer scratch cards or even vouchers inside your packings, so that when they buy your product, they will be coming back again, and also they'll be interested to buy more, and then that can be redeemed again in the next order. And one more thing I want to talk about is your brand. As Bhuvan has spoken, we can focus on selling your brand and not your products at first. When you go for NGOs and other fundraisers, the people will be more aware of your brand, and they will be trusting you more, and it will be a good way to sell your brand completely.
There's something like all these ideas that you all have come up with. It's all exciting, but what we want is not something words from your side. What we want is actions and results. So when we come to a startup like you, we expect you to work the same way how we are also startups. With that enthusiasm that you also would be working. So surely I'm looking forward to the results and the future outcomes.
Yeah. So we will be seeing you in a few months, where we will show you the results of what you expect, and we'll also have a feedback later on to give you the assurity.
True. You can keep in contact with the rest of my team as well, and we'll meet you in some time. All right. Good luck to you people.
Scene 2. Before we move to scene 2, there will be a gap because the maze will put an ad on here, which will attract a few people, and the ad will be shown to just a segment of the whole target customer, so that they can have a test and trial of it. So in scene 2, Madhav will be an alcoholic person who will be, by chance, an alcoholic person will be picked from a segment, and they will talk about the ad.
Hi, Adi. Welcome back.
Hello. Long time.
Yeah, long time. Yeah. So we had recently put up your advertisement, and then over 40% of the viewers, no, 80% of viewers who had seen are interested to buy your product. They're really amazed by it. So we have a person from the segment who had recently viewed the advertisement, and this is for Assurity, who has been interested in buying your product. So you can kindly talk to Madhav, and you'll know more about it.
That's nice.
Me?
Hello, sir. Oh, hello, Madhav.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing, sir?
I'm damn good, man.
You seem to be in a good mood, sir. What's kicking you in? What's happening? Oh, you're drinking
I
water,
just
sir?
saw an ad. Yeah, of course. What do you think? I'm not an alcoholic person, man. So I saw an interesting ad. I must tell you about an ad. So there was an ad where Shahrukh was really tired. Age issue maybe, I don't know. He was in a club. So what he did, he drank a magic water. I don't know what the content is. I think it's an alcohol, but I'm a non-alcoholic person. I come from an orthodox background.
That's very
So
evident.
he drinks something, and then he again start dancing. So
Oh,
I'm drinking the same thing, man. It's been really tiresome days and
I don't
everything.
think that it's alcohol. So there is some, tonic water. Yeah, I'm sure that
Yeah,
have
it's
or something.
yeah,
It's
it's
something
tonic
that
water.
brings the happy side in people. There's nothing wrong in
Yeah,
it.
man.
It's not a taboo or something to
But
drink something.
nice ad, man. I must say, nice ad. So keep going, man, and keep making this amazing water. Sorry,
Very
I
happy
just
you
got
are interested. Sure, sir. Sure. You
uh,
take care of yourself, sir.
amazing, man. Yeah.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for showing interest.
So
Let's end the
Hadi,
video.
as you can clearly see that the customer we have got is able to use the product without showcasing what the actual product is. And we have successfully showcased that your brand has a value and brought an attention to all the customers around the world.
Yes, yes.
Now,
I'm very-
Hadi, now you think we can talk about numbers?
Sure, sure. We surely can talk about it.
Hmm.
Good job, everyone.
Now we'll move to role play number 2. Maze has now become an established company and they are inquired by a lot of companies. Right now, an electronic sector company is interested to partner up with Maze. So we'll move to role play number 2, consisting of an electronic company and Maze executives.
So hey guys, I'm Lakshya and I'm from the electronics department from my company UI. So here I am in front of you guys. I wanted to sell and like marketize my product, which is the laptop. So we have few products like in the premium range and also in the medium range. For medium range, it's for students, and for the premium range, it's obviously for the workers who is working and who is in the like working field. So I wanted to ask Maze like what they can provide me and how they can help me.
Hi, Lakshya. I'm
Like,
Kunal. I'm the financial head, and I will be providing you with few business insight. Before giving you a deal, let me ask you a few questions. Are you the original equipment manufacturer? Means, do you manufacture all the components in your laptop?
oh yes, we manufacture all the components in our laptop, which is including the processors and also all the other hardwares which are included in the laptops. It is all made by us. And talking about the processors, we don't use Intel or AMD, though our processors speed is way faster and also in a affordable range. So that's the thing.
That's cool. But the business insights on our consultation firm, we want to speak that a well-known brand processor sells better. But that's nothing to worry about. Your processor will be well-known. That's our Maze executives promise. I really wanted to ask you now that are you planning to sell only one kind of laptop? Because one of our business insights says the smaller, lightweight, and metal laptops are selling quite good, and budget gaming laptops are quite good. These two sectors in the in the laptop sectors is quite a lot of haywire is going in there.
So basically, we have two types of laptops, which is this one, which is good for the students, so they can easily work like this. So this is for basically the students, and they can easily work on it. And the other laptop is the premium one, in which the thing you're talking about. So this is our premium one. So it has all the great processor and great display and everything, and it's sleek. And you can see I can just hold it with my one hand only. So we have these two laptops in our range right now. So what can you suggest now?
Yeah, I see your laptops are quite premium. Premium one is made of a metal finish, and we think we can work with that. Just we have to target your processor. Once your processor is well known and it's well reached, I think your laptop will sell like a hot cake. Since you are putting it in a budget price, just we will our strategy and our advice will be we will be targeting only on your processor. For now, that market strategy, Bhuvam is our market executive, and he will be letting you know our what is the main strategy for that.
Okay.
Yes, Bhuvam.
Greetings, Lakshman. My name is Bhuvan, and
Bhuvan.
I would be the digital marketing executive for Maze Company. And now I would be suggesting an idea on a small idea on how to make advertisements for your product. So
Okay.
since COVID has brought the cooking talent in everyone, you know what, your marketing team can show the ingredients for cooking any meal and keep the laptop beside it, so that you can convey the customer saying that this laptop is the process that takes place during this whole day. And also in the video, you can explain that your laptop can instantly being used for taking photos, editing videos, all related to cooking, and say that they're part of our lives and using it daily tasks is a must. This is the slogan for your advertisement video. The another strategy that I would like to propose is that you can have an online consultant and technician support who have in-depth knowledge on how to solve troubleshoot errors. In this, also you can also have a membership plan for customers where they can avail this technical support anytime in your whole 24 hours a day. So these are the two main strategies that I would like to propose for digital marketing for your product.
Oh, that's great, Bhuvan. I'm amazed with your strategies. But like I'm also thinking of like going like offline strategies, like going with the like going to the schools and like working people. So I'm also thinking about that one. So is there any strategies for that
Yes,
particular?
those strategies are can be found out from Mayur, who is a traditional marketing executive of Maze company.
Hi, Lakshya.
I don't know you.
Right. So you want to target your, we have two laptops right now. So we
Yes,
have
we
two,
have
we can target two audiences. First being the IT sector. Like as COVID has been, is a pandemic situation right now, almost 80% of people are doing work from home.
Right.
So we can go in collaboration with the IT sectors to companies, and we can have a collaboration with them to provide your premium laptop to the work, to the office workers, so that they can work on the job from their home itself. And the second laptop we can be given to students. So as an engineering student, so because right now, if you go for any engineering student, we have mechanical, even civil, and even mainly computer science and ECE. Even mechanical and civil are using the laptops for others designing purposes, and the main target can be taken on CSE. We can implement one software idea on it, as we can have a switch between Windows and Linux, let's say. And Linux is basically used for developing programs. And
Okay.
yeah.
So you mean to say that I need to provide my two laptops so that you can be giving to the customers so that they can test it and you can give me the reviews?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, Mayur and Bhuvan, those were like good strategies. And regarding to the financial one, so what will the financial strategy for this particular laptops?
Okay, Lakshya, if you are satisfied with your media strategy, what after that, what we are giving a deal is that since your laptop is new, you will be putting your profit margin as less as possible, I guess. So that's a possible deal could be the per unit laptop we will be taking certain amount of percentage. If you
Okay.
sell a laptop, let's say, or 20% profit from your mark price, that 5% of the profit will come to the mate's pocket. Since you are
Okay.
starting anew, I guess every laptop that from now it will sell would be in the name of Maze only, because it's Maze whose marketing got you there. So that's the deal. And I assure you, I have seen our success stories previously. You will be earning 2 to 3 times what you are going to spend on Maze. Apart from that, I really like to put one thing also. You do have to transfer your marketing campaigning budget to Maze. Since we are handling, we are your marketing team. You also have to transfer the marketing budget what you have kept aside to the Maze.
Okay, I get
Consider
it.
it as a upfront payment.
Okay, Kunal, I get it. So keeping everything in mind, let's go for the deal. And I'm going to give my two laptops to you, and let's see what will happen in upcoming months.
Yeah.
Once strategy is discussed, the ad is showed to few segments to understand and whether it will work or not. Scene 4, the company executive from the electronic sector returns to Maze to have a discussion about the progress.
Hi, Lakshya.
Hello, Bhuvan. Hello, Mayur. How are you guys?
Hi. Very good. How are you?
I'm great. So I wanted
Yeah.
to discuss a few things. Like it's been a few months now, and I wanted to know the results. So can you tell me how's it going?
Yeah, we have a customer who has been showing interest in buying your product, and also we have a great news for you. We have a collaboration with a recent company. I guess you would have heard about the Tipsy.
Yes, I have.
So we have a great collaboration, as even they have a demand in the technical side, and also we can have a mutual interest by giving vouchers to them from your company as every product is being sold.
Hmm.
I believe that would be a great idea. And now we can talk to Madhav, who is the interested person buying your product.
Hello, Madhav. So
Firstly, I want to correct you, buddy. I'm not the one interested. It's all, and another thing, I hate your company. It's due to your ad that cooking is make something cooking, something showing, something gaming. I don't know what I'm talking, but something happening. I have to come and buy a laptop for my wife and my child. I don't want to buy a laptop. You know how many drinks you can buy from a laptop price? Yeah, I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Anyways, but yeah, due to that ad, I hate your company for that ad, man. I just, I have to. It's hard and money. I have to waste it.
so did you like the advertisement?
That's what I'm saying, nah. I hate it. My wife watched it, my child watched it, and they wanted to buy a laptop. Buy a laptop. Not one drink, not 100 rupee thing. 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 40,000 now.
So,
Mr. Drink.
did you like the specifications of the laptop? And I hope you have seen the laptop too on your video. So, how did you
I
like
wish.
it?
Everything fine. Everything about the drink is fine, not about your laptop. My wife liked it, my child liked it. Me, no. My money went through fire.
Okay.
I,
So,
I think I should quit drinking, man, someday.
so Mayur and Bhuvan, I can see that your marketing strategies have helped me a lot, and it has went to the different persons and different customers too. So I'm thankful for that, and also keeping everything in mind, we'll make sure that this relationship continues, and you guys help me with the same.
Yes. Thank you, Lakshya, for considering our strategies. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you, Bhuvan. Thank you, Mayur, and thank you, Kunal.
Thank you.
So moving forward to the role play number 3, as you could see in the previous role plays, how Maze has helped liquor and electronic sector company. So moving forward in this scene number 5, Madhav also owns a company, approaches Maze to have B2B deals since he wants to buy software for his company. So in this case, Maze approaches two companies owned by Kunal Ravi and Krishna Sa, and they meet with Madhav to discuss the deal. So moving forward now in the scene.
Hi guys, hi Mace.
Hello.
Hi, Madhav.
It's been I've heard a lot about you from the people around, and you help many companies to get their marketing right and earn revenue. So, but what I want from you guys is I actually needed a help. So I started my own company to help alcoholic people. I myself used to be one, so now I want to do better for the world and for that segment of society. So that for that part, I need some ML software so that my data analysts and psychologists can understand alcoholic people and their behavior better. So for that, I need few companies' name and about what their specification they provide, so that I can have a deal with them in software.
Hi,
Can you guys
Madhav.
help?
Hi, Madhav. I am Kunal. I'm the financial head. Yeah, yes, we can. You wanted a software supplier with a certain specification. We got it covered. Don't worry. We will find the best one in the market available. Before that, I want to put a deal upfront. Our deal will be that you pay us 20% upfront fee. No matter what, it's not refundable. If the deals go through or not, 20% is ours. If the deals goes through, rest 80% will be paid to you. But if doesn't, then no issues. It's okay. Now let's go ahead. Bhuvan, let me put few algorithms and take out a list of companies which are able to supply this kind of software requirements.
Sure, Kunal. Let me assist you in making the list of top 10 branding companies that can meet Madhav's requirements.
Now we got the feedback from the companies, and we sent them a request for pairing up with the business to business B2B marketing, and we have got two positive responses. And now we have Krishna and Kunal, the representatives of the takeover companies.
Uh, Thank you so much, Mayur. Thank you so much, Bhuvan and Kunal. So hi guys, hi Krishna and hi Kunal. So thank you for coming to this meeting. So I've been told by Maze that you guys own the best software companies for ML software. So can you guys please give me details about your software, starting with you, Krishna?
Yeah, I am Krishna from company Sigma. We design and build a new software according to the demands of customer. Recently, we have launched a new software called R software for statistical computing and graphics computing. It is most popular among the machine learning enthusiasts, researchers, and data miners. This is lightweight software where user can easily fix its box, and it is fully transparent. In sense, user can create their own packages and can do work over that. This device does not require that much of RAM. It requires only 4 GB, and it is available for mobile apps too. Yeah,
Okay,
these all are
that's
the
interesting.
specifications for this. Okay.
That's interesting. Kunal, can you tell me about your company, please?
Yeah, so my company designs a software which is a little bit more of a heavy use, which requires a hardware specification of 2 into 64-bit CPUs, a RAM size of minimum of 32 gigabytes, and it'll need a minimum storage of 100 GB, and it goes up to 300 gigabytes if you're going to use an additional repository. And the software requirements would be the Red Hat Enterprise for the Linux, and the client environment would be Windows or macOS. That's about it.
Okay. Can you tell me about the prices of your software, please?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, here we are very much flexible regarding our pricing. We at the first month we will offer trial, And then after if customer is going for 2 years plan, then we'll charge $50. If one is going for 1 year plan, then we'll charge $30. And for 6 months, we will charge $18. Yeah, customers have varieties of option to choose.
Okay, thank you. And what about your software, Kunal?
So my software for the first year will cost $100, and for every additional year will cost an additional $50.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. So I'll get back with my company and talk to them about the deals. And maybe if things work out, you will guys get the documentation from the Maze. So please stay in contact with Maze. And thank you,
Sure.
Maze executives, for helping me. And I'll sure give you the deal if it happens.
Thank
And
you.
the 20% fees will
Yes,
be delivered to your account.
yes, we hope you will find us soon.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
So, as we have seen in the above 3 mini role plays, how Maze has delivered strategies to liquor and electronics company and connecting customers with other B2B companies. So, as a whole, Maze company helps people to get out of the real maze during the marketing strategies in the both B2C and B2B enterprises. So that's it from our side. I hope you liked our role play. Thank you.